Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on it, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can enter the settings, so the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got two different options which are connected with the resolution. Right now we've got 1080p option applied. We can change it to 720p, so just tap on this option, it will be highlighted, which means that it has been applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video, so it's up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.